Hello and welcome to ITIL 2011 Service Strategy. My name is Dr. Suzanne Van Hove and I will be your instructor. Let's talk about what this course is about and what we're going to learn. This is an intense and a focused exploration of the new or modified topics within ITIL 2011. The Service Strategy book was almost completely rewritten. It was definitely reorganized. And much of the information within the volume is new, or it's new to the 2007 version of ITIL. We're going to focus on the managerial and control aspects of the operational environment. And this course has a number of study units and supporting exercise that will reinforce the knowledge gained. We're going to discuss the service life cycle and service management as a practice. So we want to ensure that you understand fully the service life cycle, the objectives, business, and the business value for each phase. We're also going to ensure that you understand and we can explain the concept of service management as a practice. We're going to explain the basic service strategy principles and understand the key concepts, common principles, and guidelines that influence the performance of the service strategy processes. We want to understand the managerial and supervisory aspects of the service strategy processes. We'll identify those service strategy processes and we'll discuss the roles, the responsibilities, challenges, critical success factors, and risks within each of the processes. There are 5 processes within service strategy. Strategy management for IT service, it's new for the 2011 version of ITIL. Service portfolio management, financial management for IT services, demand management, and business relationship management. This is another new process for the 2011 version. Another objective will be to describe the governance and the organizing service strategy. We'll need to understand the role and the impact of governance to the delivery of the appropriate and effective services, as well as the organizational requirements for service strategy. We'll explore the technology and implementation considerations within the strategy lifecycle phase, and that will be to ensure that we understand the role of technology to service strategy and explore the concepts that have great impact on the service strategy process implementation. There are prerequisites to this course, and you should have completed the ITIL Foundation training. If you're taking the service strategy exam, you must have passed the ITIL Foundation exam, any version of that exam, and present the certificate to the testing organization in order to sit for this exam. The topics within this course include service management as a practice, strategy and services, services and value, customers and service providers, how to define services, service economics, and sourcing strategies. We'll then look into the various processes within service strategy, including strategy management for IT services, service portfolio management, financial management, demand management, and business relationship management. The course will end around topics of governance and organizations, implementation and technology, as well as a module on exam tips. If you're interested in pursuing the upper certifications within the ITIL educational schema, understand that you're currently taking a course from the intermediate life cycle, which is shown in the dark green. For you to gain ITIL Expert, you will need to have achieved 22 credits from the courses that are listed below ITIL Expert. For example, you must have passed the ITIL Foundation. It is worth 2 credits. Additionally, to earn ITIL Expert, you must have passed Managing Across the Life Cycle. Managing Across the Life Cycle is 5 credits. So the mandatory credits total 7. Taking 7 from 22 to get to the ITIL Expert, you need 15, a minimum of 15 credits from these 9 courses or their accredited substitutes to achieve ITIL Expert. Know that the intermediate life cycle courses are worth 3 credits. The intermediate capability courses are worth 4. The ITIL Master is now available. It's out of its pilot stages, and it is the ultimate in the certifications within this educational schema. Realize there is no book or formal class for this certification. You will prepare a work package, either current or proposed and then defend that work package to a panel of experts. So an ITIL Master certification would be granted to an individual who has the appropriate skills and capabilities to meet the satisfaction of the syllabus and the reviewing panel. If you want more information on these curriculum paths, you need to go to the official website for ITIL, and it is www.itil-officialsite.com. You'll see that web link in our next module. All exercises can be downloaded from the download section on the course page. Additionally, in the download section are the sample exams and supporting information. If not, let's get started.